Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make tomato rice which will be very tasty to eat. So I am going to start the recipe now. I hope you will all like it. While I am preparing the tomato rice, I will tell about the ingredients. First I am going to put the oil. Put in some cumin seeds, that is jeera. Put in some dry red chilies. And put in some ginger cut up. I have taken 750 grams tomatoes which I have made a paste over here. You can see it. I made a paste. Now I will put this tomato in the oil. Put some saffron. Tomatoes are cooked up. See how nice the color has come. Now I will put in the rice. That also cooked rice. I have cooked the rice and kept it aside. Now I will add the rice in it. I will put the salt also in. Last of all, I have to put the salt in. I have mixed the salt. Now I am going to mix the rice nicely. All the tomatoes get into it nicely. Mix the rice well with the tomato in it. The tomato rice is well mixed. Now I will keep it aside and do the plating. Tomato rice is ready to eat. Hot, hot.